So I just checked into the Westgate's owner studio suite. This is a studio suite that is typically reserved for the owners. If you watch my other video, you'll see I originally checked into a 2-queen room. The problem with that, like I said in the review, was I paid for a king. After I finished my little walkthrough when I first checked in, I was like, you know what, let me go down there and ask about getting a king because I paid extra to get that king. They gave me another king, but that room was dirty. Long story short, an hour later, here I am in a studio. Very friendly staff. They worked very hard. Oh, we're sorry, gave you the wrong room. They gave me another one. The sheets were dirty on it. And one of the sheets was completely ripped. And so I went back down, and they gave me, when it was all done after I waited for a manager, this room. So very nice staff, very thankful for them. As always, when that happens, be polite, and you're much more likely to get up something to address the issue. But let's kind of walk through here. Let's start with the little kitchenette. So this is an owner suite. It does have plates and some silverware. Kind of not a big fan of this all just sitting out here. Kind of wonder if I can put this in here, a couple plates. I'm not sure that'll fit, but I may try, just so I don't have this big thing of silverware sitting here. Does have a nice size refrigerator there, which is very nice, and even a dishwasher. I stayed in the MGM's version of these, and it did not have a dishwasher if I remember right. I'll have to check that video. So pretty nice. I've been in other hotels like this where it's a studio. We had to hand wash your dishes. Real quick, I want to inject something I missed. Two things. First of all, these chairs. This is an owner's suite. Supposedly you join, you get to go to rooms like this, which is a little bit nicer. Yeah. And I'll just leave that there. And one of the quick things that I will point out real quick, the TV does offer Netflix, so you can log into your Netflix account there and access it. The downside is I was trying to watch the last 2 minutes of a sporting event on ESPN. For some reason, this TV, even though the other room access to ESPN, has been specifically programmed not to access ESPN. I've been waiting roughly an hour now for engineers, I think they called them, to come and fix it. They haven't come yet. So hopefully soon they'll come and fix the TV so I can access it. I've been playing around the menus. I can't figure out how to get around the block on ESPN and ESPN2, and I missed the end of a game that was a very good game at the end. So unfortunately, just disappointed, I guess I would say. Now back to the rest of the review. Very nice king size bed. Everything looks clean, well done with it. Triple sheeting, so you got a clean bed very quickly. On that side of the bed, there's two plugs and two USB ports at the top. On this side, there's nothing on top of the nightstand, but behind it, there is two wall plugs that are available right there. So you can plug in your stuff there behind the device. Or by the desk area. Of course, if you like to have a TV, this is a big 55-inch TV right in front of the little desk. Kind of small, but serviceable size. Does have a wall outlet and a USB port right here. And then there's more plugs over on that wall over there. Very nice. A little crowded, but for a studio, very nice. There's even a little makeup table here area. So you can sit there, do your makeup if that's something you want to do, with a mirror made for that. And a full body mirror there to see how you look. Let's go over here. This looks to be a pass-through to another suite. So there's a pass-through here and a pass-through to another suite on that side. Very likely, if you open all those up, it becomes a large suite. In the bathroom, you got a separate toilet shower area and sink area, which the other bathrooms did not have. Very nice. Looking to it, another makeup mirror right there. Does have drawers with makeup and some other areas. So, oh, that's pretty cool. Like, I guess this is for the plumbing to go through there, but still have a little drawer area here to be able to put your stuff and not have to leave everything on the countertop. So that's a pretty cool feature there. Let's take a look at the closet. Okay. I'm bald. I'm not sure I can even get this on camera. There is a very long hair here. But if that's the worst of what I find in here, let's put that right here for now, and I'll find a place to throw that away. It does have a nice safe, not the biggest safe in the world, but looks like enough room for a laptop and some headphones, some stuff like that. It does have extra pillows up there, a little stand there for your suitcase, and on this side is a ironing board and iron, so it's pretty cool. And then in the bathroom, very nice bathroom, high flow, high tech toilet, and a very nice shower. Now the difference between this shower and the standard rooms is this is glass. The other rooms that just had a curtain. Here there's a nice glass door. Not really a seat there, more of like a footstool area. And then it's got the shower waterfall head here and an adjustable, like all the other rooms, shower head. So I can take that off, I can move it around, I can angle it however I want. So a very nice shower. It smells very clean in here. It smells like somebody just cleaned in here very well. Apparently missed that hair on top of the closet in there, but it's kind of dark. I'll give them that excuse. But I can definitely tell you, being a bald guy, that didn't come from me. So overall, I would say nice. The main thing about the Westgate here is I'm here for a convention. I'm here because this connects to the convention center, and I wanted the ability to stay in, not have to get a cab in the morning when I wanted to go to the convention center in the morning. So that was the main reason to stay here. This room is nice. It's definitely not as nice as some of the other hotels on the Strip. Housekeeping clearly could be a lot better. But I didn't find anything that would gross me out, to be honest with you, or make me run to another hotel. The staff at the front desk was very helpful. Was a little upset when I checked in that the room I had reserved was available. If I wanted a king bed, I had to pay an upgrade fee to get it. When I paid the upgrade fee, I wasn't given it. The next room was dirty. It took over an hour to end up in this room after I checked in. But the staff was nice. They were helpful. They tried to make it right every step along the way. And yeah, it's an older hotel, but they are doing an effort to upgrade it. So I would recommend it if you're looking for something cheap, something convenient, and something that will, especially if you're going to the convention center, will make that easier. If you have any questions, let me know. I will put a link to this down in the show notes down below.